Do you feel stuck when playing guitar solos, trapped by pentatonic boxes, or lost when moving across the neck? Today, I'm going to introduce you to a powerful tool called the 3-2 system. It's simple and will help you play guitar solos with confidence like a pro. The 3-2 system is a straightforward two-position major pentatonic pattern. It involves playing 3 notes on one string followed by 2 notes on the next, allowing you to move diagonally across the neck with ease. Instead of being confined to stuck positions, you'll flow seamlessly across the fretboard. There are only 2 positions to learn. One starts on the low E string and the other on the A string. On the E string, play the first 3 notes of your major pentatonic on one string. Then the last 2 notes on the next, and repeat until the end. The same rule applies to the A string position. That's the 3-2 system. Grab the free diagram in the description, try it out during your next jam session, and hit subscribe for more guitar tips.